Building a website for your pizza restaurant doesn't have to be complicated and it doesn't have to be expensive either. That's why today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Mighty Sites platform to build a simple website for your pizza restaurants. If you haven't heard of Mighty Sites before, Mighty Sites is an easy to use website generator for small businesses. You can literally launch your own websites in less than 1 minute. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So make sure you click on the link below this video to start that free trial. Once you join the platform, first thing it's going to ask you at the top is to search for your markets. Now we have hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles. We are adding more markets every single week as well. Let's head to the top and search for our market, pizza restaurant. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Excellent. Let's now Mighty Sites a few basic details about our pizza restaurant so it can generate a simple website for us. Pop in your business name, your city, your state or region, and it doesn't matter where in the world your business is operating from, you can enjoy the Mighty Sites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Once you click on continue, Mighty Sites will automatically generate a simple website for you and automatically bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new websites in under 30 seconds. For now, I'm going to go ahead and close that off because today I'm going to be showing you the ropes. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality. As you can see, they're completely free for you to use as well, and they look absolutely delicious. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own amazing images of all the delicious pizzas you're serving up in your restaurants. You want to showcase your work on your websites. Maybe you want to make 1 or 2 amendments to this content, make it a little bit more personalized to your business. You don't need to know any sort of website coding, be a web professional in any kind of way, and you certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can literally do it all by yourself. Even if you're not that tech savvy, you can actually manage this all even from your smartphone. So let's get cracking. I'm going to click on the first section at the top and work my way through. Over here, we're going to pop in our email address and we want to make sure that that's visible to our customers. So let's go ahead and tick that box. Awesome. Phone number is click to call. And that physical location and address when your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps. Under update social links, pop in your various social media platforms that your business is active on, put in the links over there and they will be displayed, the icons at the top as well as at the bottom of your Mighty Sites website. So your customers can easily give you a follow on social media and get some engagement going. If you have a logo, head on over to the next section to upload it. Over here, once it's been uploaded, you can crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames by clicking on that little pencil. Otherwise, here on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller. Excellent. If you'd like to change the colors used throughout your Mighty Sites website that we pre-selected for you, you don't need to know color coding. Click on that paint bucket, bottom right-hand corner, go through the various color palette options that are available for you to use. Awesome. For each section that you'd like to make amendments to, all you need to do is click on update section underneath it. Under update images where you can change those images. In each section, you can browse your device or search through the photo library. There's thousands of free images to choose from. As you can see, they're all completely free for you to use and they're all really high quality. They don't look like they've been taken on a mobile phone. You also have the option to connect your Instagram accounts. If you have an Instagram profile, automatically pull in all those photos from your accounts. And update action is where you'll change those call to action buttons. Perhaps you don't offer an online ordering system, so you could always change it to view our menu. And you can go ahead and choose the link. Maybe you can upload a PDF file with your menu so your customers can take a browse on your pizza options before they visit your restaurants. Over here in the next section is where we can update our opening hours, pop in all your opening hours for each day of the week. When you click on save hours, the page will automatically reload after saving and they will be displayed in the section over here for your customers' convenience. If you have a custom domain, all you need to do is click on that yellow button at the bottom to connect it. If you don't have a custom domain yet, we really recommend that you get one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors. Go ahead and click on that button as well well. You can actually purchase a custom domain via the Mighty Sites platform as well. I really hope that short tutorial was helpful in building a simple website for your pizza restaurants, and I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success.